How can we make bolognese sauce? We must have fresh ground meat, celery, onion, carrot, sage, rosemary, tomato puree, red wine. And first you cut the vegetables and you put in the pan with a little bit olive oil. We mix good, you cook for a few minutes, you add the meat. Again you cook for a few minutes, you turn very good with wood spoon, and you add the red wine, you leave to evaporate it for a few minutes, you add the tomato puree, and you cook it very slowly for 2 hours, very slowly, salted with pepper, everything, seasoning.